Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I'm your teacher Fatima Ayaz from the Nexus Education System head office campus. In the previous lecture we just discussed the exercise, that is question number 1 part A, B, C, D, E and F. Today we are going to attempt the rest of the questions, that is question number 2. Define the following: file, record and table. After reading the chapter as well as listening all of the lectures, you are gonna see that these questions are quite easy to attempt. Firstly, okay, file, record and table, these are given in your chapter with proper heading, so you may mark it on your book. The next question is the fill in the blanks. So the fill in the blanks are some statements that are extracted from the chapter and you are gonna attempt it by your own. The first fill in the blank I'm giving you is a dash contains a particular type of data in a table. So it is understood field contains a particular type of data in our table. So these fill in the blanks are quite easy, and match the following columns are also quite easy. So question number 2, 3 and 4 you are gonna attempt it by your own. If we move towards question number 5, and the topic or the heading given on the top of the question number 5 is activity. So now we are gonna perform the activity. When you will open Microsoft Access, then this window will appear on your screen that you can see. Here on the very first thing that you can see is custom web app and blank desktop database, and you're gonna select blank desktop database. I have selected it and a dialog box appear on my screen. It is asking me that what name I want to give to this database and in what location I want to save it. So from this you can select the location as well as you can change the name. So this activity and this database is regarding staff, so I named the file as staff nx. After that I press on this button, that is create. Okay, now here you can see home, create, the menu bar you can see on the top, and from the menu bar you're going to select the option create, and here table design. After selecting that option you will see top pane and the bottom pane. First field name must be ID. It will be short text obviously. The next field name will be name. It will be short text for sure. The next field name will be designation. It will be short text also. And next is qualification. It will be short text also. Date of joining. So DOJ, I'm writing it as date of joining. So it will be date and time. Remarks. Remarks will be long text. After creating it, we are gonna view it in the tables form. Okay, now here you can see that the things that I specified in the design view table are given here: ID, ID, name, designation, qualification, date of joining, remarks, and what else. Here ID is given at the start. Always it is from the system oriented thing, and if you want to add id, that is well enough. If you don't want to add it, then it is system oriented also, you may continue as it is. So here you're gonna mention the name, the designation, the qualification, and the things that are required in it. So from this you can prepare it. And before moving towards the datasheet view, first you have to save the table. I haven't saved the table, that is why a dialog box appeared on the screen, and that was asking me to save the file first. So after creating the database view, or the datasheet, sorry, the database view, so after creating the database view, you're gonna save it first, and after that you're gonna click on the view, and then you will see the datasheet view. So after completion of design view, you're gonna save it first, and then you're gonna shift towards the datasheet view, and this will appear on your screen, and you may add anything you want in it. So that was all. I hope that you have understood today's lecture, and keep working hard in this pandemic time. I hope to see you soon in school, and don't forget to share, subscribe, like our channel, and click on the bell icon so that you can get notified. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.